Anibona bafethu, I'm sure abantu abaningi bayibuza ngomfukeng uthi okay, umfukeng kule season njengoba isizophela sibonile into aseyenzile for iOrlando Pirates. Yebo we've seen Orlando Pirates usinikeza amagoli, usinikeza ama-assist, asinikeza nendebe eqaleni kwesizini against iSteelers. And nama-season adlule umfukeng useyidlalelile kahle Orlando Pirates. Yebo as umlandeli Orlando Pirates uhleli lapha ekhaya nami as umlandeli. Ngokwakho, do you think sekuyisona sikhathi lesi ukuthi simdedele umfukeng? Like nje sibe nevar sikhulume nje. Do you think isona sikhathi lesi? Because masubheke for me umfana I think right now una 2021 yabo. Una 2021 isona sikhathi lesi ukuthi nomuphi umdlali yabo kumele aye phesha ayoshine. There are many youngsters adlala right now pheshe abadlali abanjengo Lamine Yamal bana 17 ama youngster lawo. Angisho ukuthi umuntu una 2021 umuntu omdala usayingane lo muntu because usayi 2K. Yabo njengoba esayi 2K nje isona sikhathi lesi ukuthi aye le eEurope athola ama team because iprime yakhe akakabi na iprime akafiki kwiprime umfukeng. Let's be honest, uthwempu impela, but imagine masethole i-development, i-proper development yase-America. I know use-developed umjida, but let's say uyahamba manje ayojoyina i-club yale Europe. Umjida bethu uzoshisa more. Yabo uzoshisa more, kuningi azokuzuza for i-career yakhe. Yabo kuningi azokuzuza ku-career yakhe, but ke asazi. Yabo asazi, because when you look at other players abadlala right now, abadlala for iSouth Africa, abakwi-age yakhe umfukeng, mina uyedwa umdlali engibona ukuthi okay lo uzofika kwi-height enkulu kwi-career yakhe. Yabo uzofika kwi-height enkulu kwi-career yakhe because masubheke lo mjida lo uShandre Campbell right now he's playing for iClub Brugge le eBelgium, playing for iClub Brugge. iClub Brugge iyabathanda ke abadlali abasuka le eAfrica. They like to use ama-African players. Remember uPercy Tau used to play Club Brugge before joining iBrighton. Imagine umdlali onjengo Shandre Campbell oswala eSouth Africa uma asaperforme kahle in the next season elandelayo, because kule season le ubedlala kakhulu kuma youngsters. Yabo ubedlala kuma youth ranks uShandre Campbell, but sebempromotile usedlalela i-first team. He even played kwi-Champions League umjida. He was in the squad esasiyodlala ne-Aston Villa kwi-Champions League. Yabo which is very very good for i-career yakhe uShandre Campbell. Imagine ke next season meqhubeka kanje there are many clubs azofika ngqongqoze yabo kuma agent wakhe afuna ukumthatha mhlawumbe baye kwi-Premier League or Bundesliga or La Liga. Yabo and masubheka kumfukeng it's really hard for him to go overseas because he's playing for i-club enkulu Orlando Pirates. Masubheka Orlando Pirates right now kwi-squad Pirates, umfukeng is the only star player you can see ukuthi okay umfukeng mengadlali iPirates ayidlali kahle, angazi noma ngiyayenza nisense. Yabo umfukeng mengekho angazi noma ngiyayenza nisense because enye yezinto mhlambe enza iPirates neKaizer ingadlali kahle, ngathi ngiyaphuma kwe-topic but ngizobuya manje. Enye yezinto enza lama team angadlali kahle is because they tend to have that one player who is a star player. Yabo bakhohle ukudlala as a team. Yabo ukudlala as a team kuyasiza kakhulu. Angisho ukuthi umfukeng is a big player, is a star player and all that. Yabo ukudlala as a team and ukudependela kumuntu oyedwa kuyayibulala i-team, because let's say umfukeng samdayisa right now. Yabo samdayisa right now umfukeng uyahamba uyale. Ubani esodlala ngaye, ubani esodependela kuyena. I know ukuthi mesidayisa ama-star players yes sekwenzeka before, sezamdayisa uMona Pulesa sesusale hey cishe akhipinda, sezamdayisa lo mjida lo uLodge, samdayisa uLodge mfethu wadlala uSaleng right now akadlali, sekudlala bani, sekudlala umfukeng. I know for a fact ukuthi ukhona umdlali ozofika angene esikhaleni sakhe umfukeng mehamba. Yabo that's the truth, iqiniso nje leli limsula, but ke ngikusho mina kumele bafethu sibheke ukuthi okay indlela edlala ngayo right now asidingi i-star player. Mase ubheka kwi-Sundowns akekho umdlali uyi-star player kwi-Sundowns. Each and every player in that team plays a huge role in winning lama cups abanawo. each and every player. So nathi kwi-Pirates we need abadlali abakhulu abazodlalela kuma-position. Umdlalo njengo-Ribeiro mengadlali kahle kuzoshayina u-Allende, mengashayina u-Allende kuzoshayina u-Ikram Reyners phambili, mengashayina u-Ikram Reyners kuzoshayina u-Ronwen Williams. Yabo, we need into ekanjalo nathi kwi-squad sethu. Yabo, I'm not saying Mfukeng mfethu i-wrong lento ayenzayo mfethu uthi wabe yi-star yet. No, it's a good thing. Kumele amotivate nama-teammates akhe. Yabo, but-ke for me I think umjida isona sikhathi lesokuthi ahambe aye phesheya. Yabo, isona sikhathi lesokuthi ahambe aye phesheya ayoyithola nawe ukuthi okay abulo mdlali lo ohambile ke wayozama phesheya, because uma engahambi manje uyoyisola impilo yakhe yonke. Uma engahambi ayojoyina ama-club ase-Europe uyoyisola impilo yakhe yonke, because i-career yebhola incane i-career yebhola. For me Mfukeng use-achieve everything ku-Pirates. Yabo, at his young age use-achieve everything. Angisho phela everything, ngingangizwa kabi. Yes, i-league akayitholanga, yes, i-Champions League akayitholanga, but when you look at the journey umfana omncane asebenayo idlula i-journey ama-previous players ebesibukela kuona acesha ifica. Mina nje ngilibeke nje obala nje iqiniso, mhlawumbe ungangizondayo ema-comments usho ukuthi hayi yabheda into eshovana, but lento le ya-Lodge, when you compare u-Lodge noMfukeng you see ukuthi okay u-Lodge really played ibhola elihle. Yabo, influencer futhi naye Mfukeng idol yakhe uLuthembinkosi Lodge, he even wears his number, jersey number bedlala kwi-CAF Champions League. Yabo, gqo number 3. But mase ubheke ama-achievements abe nawo Mfukeng kwi-career yakhe kwi-Orlando Pirates and compare those achievements with uThembinkosi Lodge abe nawo kwi-Pirates. Yes, Thembinkosi Lodge became a PSL player of the season edlala kwi-Pirates, but the achievements, what did you do for the club? Did you bring the club titles? I didn't see any title eyalethwa Lodge beside that MTN 8 we played against Bloemfontein Celtic. Yabo, he scored a penalty in that game if I'm not mistaken. That's how we won that game. I'm not saying Mfukeng is the only player that managed to bring Orlando Pirates ama-cups. There are many players who helped the Orlando Pirates win ama-cups. La we see now, right now, since the arrival of Jose Riveiro. I'm not saying Mfukeng is the only player, but Mfukeng ube naso isandla. Yabo, he had a big role to play in those cups. Same as uMonapule Saling. Yabo, when you compare ama-successes ka-Saling nawaThembinkosi Lodge, successes ka Mfukeng nawaThembinkosi Lodge, I'm not comparing the players, I'm just saying. Yabo, so umjida yes ungambiza as ekodangazi, but ke umjida ngokwakho wena, do you think is the right time ukuthi ahambe aye le e-Europe or not? For me I think umjida kumele ahambe manje. Yebo, kumele ahambe ayojoyina amanye ama-youngsters adlalayo le e-Europe kwi-top football. Yabo, but ke that's a story for another day. Ngiyafuna ahambe, angifuna ahambe at the same time. Angazi wangitshela wena ama-comments uva nesport lo bafethu. Ngiyabonga nge-support eningi nayo.